All right, what's up guys? Jayztwocents here, and we are coming at you now with part 2 of our set build series, where I basically decided to undertake this entire build myself. And as you can see, it's a big mess. But you know what else you can build? Your fleet. With today's sponsor, World of Warships. World of Warships is a free-to-play multiplayer game and is known as the thinking man's action game with its amazing balance of both strategy and action. Take control of some of the world's most iconic warships like the Yamato and the USS Iowa and enjoy the beautiful and historically accurate details of each ship. The design team spends an extraordinary amount of time ensuring that each ship is recreated as accurately as possible through historical documents and 3D scans. Each map also offers stunning details and weather effects that add a dynamic effect to each match, making every battle unique and exciting. Use my exclusive code below and get a free USS Langley aircraft carrier, which allows for a completely different form of fast-paced World of Warships gameplay. And if you use my link below to play World of Warships, you will collect an exclusive bonus starter pack. New players can register with the code PLAYLANGLEY2019 to receive 300 doubloons, 1 million credits, the USS Langley aircraft carrier, 3 days premium time, and more. So if you think you have what it takes to take me on out there in the high seas, well, just click that link down below and put your money where your mouth is. We'll be waiting. This is why nothing gets done. All right, so obviously this set is not gonna be staying brown. We're gonna be painting it. In fact, we're gonna be moving this wall too entirely to over there. Because I'm gonna be putting a window in it, but this was just, we needed a way to hold it up. So it's anchored against this one, plus the ballast in the back. Let's talk about the framing of this. Put a picture of this up on Twitter. One of the most common things I got was like, that's not up to code. You know what? It's a freestanding wall. It doesn't have to meet code. There's nothing attached to it. Funny how that works. So I guess those contractors that understand code, well, they didn't say anything because they know that there was no point in saying anything. I digress. Anyway, this wall's staying where it's at. I need to redesign the way I'm gonna be doing the structure on the rear wall with the window, because the window's gonna be going in the center. This beam right here is 5 feet high. So we are not gonna be able to put a window here because there's a beam. So I'm gonna build the frame of the window first. I'm gonna lay out my exterior, put the window where I want it, and then frame it in, if that makes sense. Hopefully, it all goes according to plan. So we've got all those raw materials over there, which if everything goes according to plan today, we will be sitting with 3 walls up that are painted and a window. So let's see if we can do it. I cut this one on the wrong, like the thick end, so it should have been like this. Well, we have to paint the boards first anyway, so we can get it upright, get the stilts on the back, rearrange the walls how they need to be, paint these gray, and then go so they could dry while we're gone. Yay! All right, so as you can see, we've got 3 walls here and a fake window that I still have to do the molding around, which you guys saw that I really kind of screwed it up. We gotta go buy more molding. Anyway, you can see I got a fake, it's gonna look like a fake slider. You gotta imagine there's gonna be blinds in front of this and some like sheer veneer or whatever they're called, like some dangly things that look pretty. I'm not very good at the interior design part. But the reason why I haven't put the trim on yet, so I have to go buy another piece of it, but we have to paint the inside of this white. All this is gonna be white. We have to find the blinds that are gonna fit in here, have them cut to length, and then we need to put the trim on, but I'm gonna build a pillar. Obviously these 2 walls haven't been connected yet because until we paint it and get in there in the edges and get the carpet back here, I don't wanna join them together, but they're put together with straps. I'll kind of show you on the back. But I'm gonna put this I'm gonna make kind of a 1x1 brick pillar sort of a looking thing here that we're gonna paint white, so it's gonna look like a painted brick. You know, a lot of people paint brick. Just to sort of give it that kind of a industrial loft sort of feel. But it's gonna be simple enough. We just have to do because this one's too short. These are 8 feet, those are 10-foot walls. I'm trying to decide if I want the pillar to go all the way up or if I want to put something decorative on top of the pillar so it looks like the pillar just doesn't go all the way to the ceiling, but then that would mean it was never a functional pillar, so it wouldn't be very believable. So I don't know yet. But either way, we have to build the 8-foot section. So let's go ahead and get to it. So this is just sort of an example of kind of how it'll be. It'll probably go on the other side. I haven't decided yet, but this is a symmetrical wall, so it can go either way. Still have to fill in the bottom. Doesn't go all the way to the top of the 10-foot roof, but Phil, I mean, you're filming. If you come closer, it's good. Yeah, you don't really see the top, so yeah. I just wanted to kind of break up the squareness of this room a little bit, because I mean, it then makes it look like we're in some sort of an old brownstone or like a loft deal. And so I'm looking forward to this. This will be nice. There's gonna be some gaps and stuff, but once it's all painted and stuff, you won't really notice. Not to mention, I'm sure anyone watching this that lives in an old converted industrial building with bricks and drywall, half the time they don't made up perfectly anyway. So, all right, there's that. And as you can see, the inside, that's all it is. It's just a frame. And I have to put a piece of wood along here still so that we can mount it. But we're not gonna do that until we paint everything.
Aren't you supposed to wear a respirator?
What?
I take break new food as fresh now.
All right, so I gave in about a paint sprayer that I then proceeded to flush the nozzle down the toilet on accident while cleaning it up. Oh well. That's besides the point. I'll just be buying a new spray gun part of it. But anyway, as you can see, we've got the base coat up. It's kind of looking blotchy because there are areas that are still wet and areas that are dry. But you can see our window is gonna be here. We have to paint the inside of this white still. That's not gonna happen today. I'm done for the day. I've inhaled enough fumes. I know that this looks weird because it's not butted up against the other wall. Yeah, that's the way it's turned out. It's not perfect, but it's gonna be fine. Because you have to imagine this is gonna be, it's gonna have all kinds of stuff on the wall. It's gonna have probably some shelving. It's gonna have, of course, a desk. There's gonna be blinds and curtains here, and there's gonna be plant. You can see the pillar I made is standing up over here. Like I said, I'm probably gonna paint this white. I might just see how the red looks against the gray wall though, because that might be a good contrast. But I don't think it looks bad considering the fact that I suck at this, and this is my first time ever building anything like this. So I just reminded myself that I'm gonna still have to take this wall apart because we have to put the rug underneath it, so it's gonna be sitting on top of it. But there, I mean, doesn't that kind of look like it's some sort of a loft building type deal? This is the first wall we built, and it wasn't very good. It's kind of wavy and stuff. So if I push this hard against it, you can see this side, which is the last wall we built, look at this, it's just freestanding, and that's almost perfect in terms of the gap. So what we are gonna have to do is we will have to nail gun this together. I'm not gonna do it right now because I wanna paint this white. I need the carpet and stuff in here first. I'll push this hard against that skin, and then on the backside, I'll pop that skin off the stud too. I will then nail it to the frame that I made for this, all the way around. I'll have to loosen the bottom up too, there we go. So that way the skin is attached to this, and hopefully if I put enough nails in it, it won't pop off. And I think it'll look even better when it's white. Do you think I should paint it white or leave it that kind of a gray look? I'm feeling white still, are you?
Yeah.
Because don't forget, we're gonna have the white trim going around the window, right? So just as sort of an example, this isn't the piece that goes here, but as an example, you can see that we are gonna have our fake window with white trim around it. So I think the white pillar will go along with it really, really well. This is gonna look way better than I thought I was capable of making, if you wanna know the truth. All right, so that's all for today. I would have liked to have gotten more done, and I would have liked to have not flushed the nozzle of my spray gun down the toilet. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. If you want to see more of these set builds videos, make sure you guys like these videos and share them, because if they get enough views and stuff to make it worth us taking the extra time to make the video, then of course we'll do it. And I just realized this is upside down. Oh wait, I tested it both ways, didn't I? You like how I end the video and I just kind of keep going? Let's test it one more time. Oh man, I'm scratching the wall all up here. Now it's really rustic. All right, now we're gonna go before I damage things. Okay.